Give it up for him. 5 boys, come on, come on. 5 boys and 5 girls. We
5
need
boys.
Thank you for all of you. What we're going to do is, sir, please.
No, you're the host. You go on.
Alright, so what we're going to do is that we're going to ask you 2 simple questions, and whoever answers the best gets a gift from the lead cast of Heartless. The gift is obviously going to be very heartless, so are your answers. So the question is, what is the most heartless thing that you have ever done to somebody? Or what is that one heartless thing that has happened to you from somebody?
Or someone has done to you. Either way.
Yes.
In the last year, my name is Tarang. Last year during our...
What's your name?
Tarang.
Tarang. So when you start off, you have to say, I'm Tarang Heartless. Alright? Say.
I am Tarang Heartless.
Right. Now you give the answer.
Last year, I had helped my friend during the projects, the board projects, very much, and I've done almost a full project for him. But during the project, I needed a bit of information, and he denied me, and I felt very bad.
Well, so you don't get the t-shirt till you give a good answer. Come. Right.
Yeah, my name is Hargun Heartless.
Yeah.
I'll just say,
Are you heartless or someone else is heartless?
I am a heartless.
Okay. Alright.
What I did once was, might seem a little thing to all of you, but my mother is a single parent and she has brought me up from facing lots of difficulties. But one day she asked me for a simple glass of water, and I came just from classes. I was tired, but that mother who had worked so hard for me, I didn't thought about her, and I said, "Kya hai aapko?" And that's one thing I will not be able to forget, that she said that खून पसीना बेचकर बच्चों को बड़ा किया, और बड़े होके यही सुनने को ही मिलेगा अल्टीमेटली कि क्या किया आपने, ये क्या है. That's the most heartless thing I
A
did.
huge round of applause for this guy. I think this really touched my heart. And believe me, this film is all about this emotion that he talked about. You have to see the film to understand that this is the emotion that I am talking about. You have to love your parents. You have to love your mother, because she is the epitome of love. There is nothing greater than a mother's love, not even God's love. Because even He expects something, never a mother. And it's a beautiful story that you said, and I hope that you have corrected yourself. And yes, we all at one point of the time, we become inconsiderate, don't think how much our parents, our friends, and everyone has done for us. And when it comes to paying back, we become heartless, and we shouldn't. So that's one lesson that even, all of us are learning from you right now, that we should. Yes, that was a very moving story, and brilliantly told. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Sagar Heartless.
All right.
Yeah. So, heartless, I've never done anything intentionally heartless, but if I haven't, but if I have, then I would like to apologize to anybody if I've done anything heartless. That's it.
All right, but has there been a moment in your life, or will there be a moment in your life, when you actually want to become heartless? And you said, I want to be heartless. Has it ever happened to you that you, just out of vengeance or just out of anger or on an impulse, you said, I'm going to be heartless? Do you ever remember that moment?
Actually, yeah, it was for a school play
Yeah.
where I deserved the role and I didn't get it. I actually deserved the role.
Yes, we all do. Huh?
So that time I thought I'll become heartless and I'll get the role.
All right, and did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, all right. Thank you, Taj. All right. Yes.
It's heartless.
Haji? You know what it means? It means that when you are in love, you always overlook these heartlessness of the other guy or the girl. It's only when the heart stops loving, it takes revenge. Right?
Very.
Cool. Now you continue with your story.
In my 10 boards, I promised to my girlfriend that I'll study with her, but instead of studying with Pan Singh Tomar in my board.
Pan Singh Tomar?
Yeah.
That's really being heartless and mindless also.
Okay, I love Irfan.
All right.
And that's same what I'm gonna do with heartless, I guess. If I'll get a girlfriend.
If you get a girlfriend?
Yeah.
At this rate, I don't think so, but you continue with the endeavor. All right. Well done. That sounds like an interesting name, Isha Heartless. Isha Heartless, kisi ko bhagwan na de. All right. Isha Heartless, right?
I was dating this guy, and
And thank God you were dating her. I like that emphasis on that guy bit. Okay. Yeah, you were dating a guy.
Yeah, he was taking me somewhere out, and then I made him wait for like 5 hours.
Oh. And why would you do something like that? Because you went out in the meanwhile with some other guy?
No.
Then?
Because
No, there is something called two timing, which is being heartless, and all of us have done it one time or the other. But you know, you have to take it with a pinch of salt.
no, the thing was that I actually ended up being with my best friend, and I forgot that he was taking me out. And then he called me up like so many times. I didn't pick up, and then I felt too bad because
Oh, so cute. A round of applause for her. She felt too bad. She went out with her best friend. And all right.
Sir, we're going to choose the winners, right?
No, we'll get an answer from you. What's a heartless? You're quite a dude, and you've been like hosting this show for the last 3 years. What's the most heartless thing that you've ever done?
Hosted the show, sir. I was just talking to Adyan. I was telling him when Shekhar Suman is on the mic, I should shut up. We should not talk in between.
But the one guy that really touched my heart was this guy. And I think, you know, because
Bigger round of applause for him, please.
Because you don't do that to your mother. And that's why, you know, he's the most heartless guy, and that's the most heartless thing that he's ever done. But he remembers, he rectifies, it's weighing upon his conscience, and he talked about it in a very emotional tone, and that's what I liked. And we have to all take a cue from that and never be heartless to people who love you so much, you know, not especially your mother or your parent. Yeah, so can we have the tea, please? Yes. All right. Will you just open it up and not your version here. This tea, yeah. When I said open up your t-shirt, so he opened up his own t-shirt.
Same version, same version. I'm also wearing something like
Yes. Now, would you just read it out for me?
I gave my heart to too many people. No wonder I am heartless.
Well, I gave my heart away to too many people. No wonder I am heartless.
You have to know this quote.
All right, so you are the super winner. You want to say something? Yes.
Can I get your autograph on this?
Of course. You can get me as well. You know, take me home. I want to meet your mom, such a sweet mom who's given birth to such a sweet guy. I want to meet her, say my hello to her, and definitely will give you an autograph. Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure.
So we have
such
one
a
more.
pleasure. Oh, you have one more?
Wow.
Who's? Come here. What was your heartless thing that you had said? About the drama school. Who went back to
The ex.
her ex? She's the one. She's the culprit. She gets the tea. Come on, guys. It doesn't cost money to put your hands together. You know, I always keep fighting for Mumbai. You know, when I go out and people say, you know, Delhi is the best crowd, Ahmedabad is the best crowd, this is best crowd. I said no. Mumbai is the best crowd because they really kind of put you on a pedestal. They really cheer for you. And that's one thing, when people are standing on stage, that's the only thing that you need is a round of applause. That's it. And you don't know where it elevates the performer or anybody who's standing on stage. So just, you know, as an audience, when I sit as an audience, with the audience, amongst the audience, there's one thing that I do no matter who's performing and how badly he's performing. I always cheer him up because it's not easy to stand here and perform. So I think for a brilliant answer, you get the tea. Right. Yes.
And sir, because you are here, they don't want to go without any t-shirts, so we have
No.
t-shirts for all of them.
Yes, okay.
All of them.
Yes.
Congratulations, all of you. Please wear them.
Correct.
Please watch the film on the...
I want you to just go through that heartless phase a week before and then get into all the hearts. So thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you so much.
You know, one thing that I really wanted to say about all of you, and you know, these promotions keep happening. We come and push our films because we have directed. It is not important. I think what is important that we get an opportunity to meet a lot of people. You know, we always as performers, we never get to see our friends or fans. We either catch them on Twitter or Facebook or somewhere we can't see them. It's important to connect physically also with people and get to know what they think of us and pass on the love, hold each other's hands. It's important. These fashion shows, these beauty pageants, these competitions will go on. The one thing, all of you, since all of you are so young, you have to understand that you have to, first and foremost and predominantly, make your parents proud, no matter what you do. Because you see the love in their eyes, they've brought you up with so much love and affection, and make them proud. So guys, you have to make your parents proud, you have to make your teachers proud, and you have to make your country proud. That's very, very important. And as I liked it in Rang De Basanti, or one of the films that they said that we keep asking every time, what has the country done for us? I think the better question is, you ask yourself, what have you done for this country? So keep that in mind and keep working for that, inshallah.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. The one-on-one media bites are happening right here in a bit. Big round of applause, come on guys. The leading cast of Heartless in your college at Panache finale.
Now that's one request we cannot comply. They said one without the t-shirt. Rishi.
Kaleem, okay?